Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm on my way to Tesla service center to get my front windshield replaced. I was driving on the freeway maybe 3 weeks ago. There was a flying rock causing a dent on the windshield. The dent is not huge, but I don't want to just leave it. And in the summertime, you know, when it's get hot and the winter is cold, so it's could causing a bigger crack for a long time. So that's why I'm going to get replaced. The good thing is I have insurance. So when you buy the insurance, there's part called comprehensive. So the good thing I purchased comprehensive, that includes glass, like a front windshield or the side glass. If somebody smashed into your glass and steal your stuff, those are part of comprehensive. So there was a rock flying on the freeway and then hit my windshield. When I called the insurance, first thing they ask if it's bigger than a dollar bill. She was telling me if it's less than a dollar bill, she could ask like their partners, or she can look for some service center to instead of replacing it, they can fix it. So I know there's kind of solution you can drip into your glass, kind of get fixed, you know. But since the insurance covered the whole thing, I have zero deductible, so I contact Tesla service center. You know, just go to your phone, send me the pictures. They respond pretty quick, and they want to replace the whole front windshield. Plus the labor, the total cost is, I think the total cost is around $1,486. It's kind of expensive, but at the same time, I'm not paying for that, right? Like, I already paid my insurance. The insurance will cover 100%. There's $0 out of my pocket, so that's pretty good. That's why I'm getting replaced. Dude, there's a car driving aggressively close to me. Take a look. Take a look how close he was. Holy shit, look at this dude. He's driving like a maniac. It's 45 miles. Okay, right now it's 55. But it was 45 miles per hour. So I freaking hate this people, man. Alright, so where I'm at. Yeah, so that's why I'm on my way to the service center to get replaced. I'll show you guys some footage about the dent. I mean, to be honest, it's not that big. I can totally get fixed. But like I said, it is 100% covered by the insurance. Why not just get the whole thing replaced, right? And I'm pretty sure that's what Tesla recommended as well. If anything, they would just tell you, oh, you can get just repaired instead of replace the whole front windshield. Alright, I'll be there like 20-30 minutes. I'll give you guys more update once I get there. Alright, so I'm approaching the Tesla repair center. Never been to this one. It's not that close to my house, but this one looks pretty big. Never been to this location. Alright, you guys can take a look. Alright, before I go in, I'm gonna show you guys the dent I'm talking about in my car. Let me find a spot first. The road is pretty bad. I still have 5 minutes before my appointment time. Oh, the service center is right here. Okay. Alright, but show you this really quick. So this is the front windshield, and here's the dent. You cannot feel anything crack inside, but from outside, when you touch it, you can feel it. It's pretty deep, looks like. Looks like it's gonna break through, but apparently it's not. Let me show you guys from outside how it looks like. Woo! Looks like a bullet hole, to be honest. Yeah, looks like shooting a bullet. It's like a quarter size. This is my thumb. Like a size of quarter. All right, here we go. They got like 2 people there. You said turn right? Keep going?
Nope, right here.
I thought you wanted me to turn right.
No, you're okay. Yeah, you were sitting on one of the grates and I don't want to see something happen. You're fine right there.
Alright. Right, so let's see.
Dropping off for a windshield?
Yeah.
Looks like you approved, yes, man. I don't think I need anything else for probably be done on Monday.
Oh, so I have to leave the car?
Yeah, you can't move the car.
Are you gonna get another car?
No.
So he basically told me I have to leave the car until Monday. The job couldn't be finished in 1 day, which surprised me. And also there's no loaner's car since this is not their fault. It's not a warranty issue. That's why they don't cover the loaner's car cost. So I went to the front of the showroom. I was ready to leave, but then I saw a Cybertruck. So here you go, guys. There's some footage about a Cybertruck. I even got a chance to sit inside before getting to my Uber.
It's cool though. Controllers. Yeah, right. It's really neat.
It's we moved and then we lost the keys, so I ordered like a brand new key fob, but I never got.
Once you release it, it stops. Oh, this car is tall. Got more storage if you lift up the seats. Alright, the front windshield is replaced. This is a new one. Everything looks good. No more dents, chips on the glass. That's cool. Alright guys, the windshield is replaced. Everything looks good. The only thing is I can now drive over 75 miles per hour on the freeway. And also I shouldn't do any pressurized car wash within the next 48 hours. I can smell a chemical smell inside the cabin because they use a seal to secure the glass. Everything else is good. It's pretty sunny outside. You can see all the clouds, the sky. As you guys can see, you still see a lot of snow. It's 37 degrees outside. So when I dropped off the car, they told me come back, pick up on Monday. The job probably like 1 hour, but there's another 2 hours for the car to cure. I wasn't expecting it takes that long, since it's just 3 hours, but that's what they told me. Come back on Monday, pick it up, you know. And also, they're not gonna give me a loaner's car because this is not a warranty issue. It's something that I paid out of my own pocket to fix it. So in this case, not loaner's car. And then I was in the showroom. There was a Cybertruck. I was playing around, you know, like sitting inside, took some videos. After that, I called an Uber. I left. But on the Uber, I remembered I had my work laptop in there, and on Monday I had to go to work first and then pick up the car. So I told the Uber driver to go back, drop me off, because I'm going to get my backpack, right? So I need my backpack to go to work on Monday. And well, I just went back inside, and the guy was asking me, hey, do you want to pick up your car today? Like around 3 o'clock? I was like, what? Don't you tell me it's gonna be ready on Monday? You know, the only thing I came back is just for my backpack. He told me like I was looking for you. I'm like, I already left, you know, because you told me on Monday. So in that case, I told the Uber driver just cancel the rest of the trip. You know, I can just pick up my car the same day. Then there's no need for me to come back on Monday. So at the end, like I pick up my car, it's around like 2:30, it's ready, and I'm on my home. So always it's better to maybe stick around, you know, ask them, hey, what if it could be done sooner, you know, that way you don't have to do 2 trips. Actually save me a lot of time. But in my case, I had to pay like around $20 for the Uber and cancel the rest of the trip. Yeah, but it's something, at least I got my car back the same day. Now I just need to, after I got my invoice, it's on the phone, you can send to your email. I'm gonna email to the insurance and they can give me reimbursement. So the total came out $1,486. It was pretty quick. Alright, so this is pretty much the whole thing for replace the windshield glass, and that's how much you probably expected to pay at the end of the service. Today I also wanted to show you guys a pretty good wireless charger. This is from MacBook. You can use for Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y. As you guys can see, the drawing is really easy to install. All you have to do is to attach this wireless charger to the left side of the screen, or they have a different version you can touch to the right side. So let me show you guys in the box. The first thing is this piece is magnet, and this is 3M double-sided tape, and you can attach to the screen. And this part, there's a USB Type-C cable. They also give you a fast charger you can plug into your car. This is car charger adapter. It's 30 watt, so it's really fast compared to the iPhone charger. The regular ones you bought from Apple Store, it's normally 20 watt, but this one is 30 watt, so it's pretty fast. Let me install this in my car and you guys can see. So first thing is to peel the 3M. Another thing for my car, for my screen, I do have a screen protection. It's like edge on the edge of my screen, so I'm not sure if this thing gonna fit perfect, but if you don't have this screen protection, I'm 100% sure it should fit perfect. So for mine, in my case, it might be a little bit off, just because I have this edge protector. Alright, so you basically attach this part to your car, and you have a charger. By the way, if you messed it up, they also have another piece. so you can do it again, or if you sell your car, you can put it into your new car. They're also selling iPhone 15 Pro Max phone case. So I can also put my phone into this MacBank phone case. This is also MagSafe compatible. If you don't use for a Tesla car, they also have a regular magnet. So for this piece magnet, you can also attach the 3M to any other car, and then in the back you will put your phone to attach to that magnet. Will stay however you want to put it. You can do sideways, you can do vertical, horizontal, however you like it. So I'm gonna put in my phone into this phone case. I'm gonna put my phone there with this MacBank case. You guys can see a logo is charging. This is really cool. I only see this in the Apple phone case, but this phone case can do the same thing. I'm really amazed. Yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description. You guys can go check it out. If you can pick a phone case, or you can pick the wireless charger. You know, the good thing is, if you don't like put on the left side, you can also put on the right side. So they have different options for you to choose. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll try to answer your questions. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.